everyone, it's Claire from Scrappynerduk UK and I have an exciting little adventure today. So I thought I'd bring you along with me. Excuse the lighting, I'm in a hotel room and it's uber dark in here, no natural light, small little window over here. But apart from that, yeah, so apologies for the lack of good lighting in here. But I thought I'd start the video before I head off and show you what I'm up to and who with. And beautiful tones.
Music sound effects. Oh, Vicky, you're so fine. So fine. You put my touch me in the boob. Bow.
Thank you very much for all of you for putting your faith in us, really, and wanting to be here this weekend, or today, or today, tomorrow. As we said, the timetable's 10 till 5, so 10 till 12, 10 o'clock till 12 o'clock, Vicky's in charge. 12 o'clock we'll be having a lunch, a buffet lunch, and hopefully, the floor might be a bit wet, but I want to go outside and take a group photograph. It'll also give you the opportunity of taking any selfies you want to do with Vicky.
We haven't even got anything started, but I am so excited to be here. It's, you know, when you show up, it's like, will anybody show up? Like, people be excited for this. So, as excited to meet you guys and spend the time with you, as some of you are to spend the time with me. I just can't assume that, you know. Someone might be like, my friend maybe come, I don't really want to be here. But I have a mic, so I'll put that on because I have a problem. When I go home, I have to figure out what's going on with my vocal cords because I can't write. So your first paper in your stack is going to be one of the sheets with the big pie. So again, there's just a number on it, so it ends in 978. The back side is the blackboard, so you just need one sheet of this for now. and green notes. Green notes stays as a green notes card. It goes in the bottom right. And this guy, then I just clipped the corners to make it a tag. Okay? The community and the work that goes into the backside of all of this is super special. And you know, when Jackie, we have done this, like, and even when I was here the last time, we just went out for dinner, because like I said, when I meet you guys, it is a true thing when I say, like, you're my friends now. Like, this is work for me, and you know, obviously it's business, but it's so much more than that. Like this trip, you think when I come and I'm staying for a week in London and all the rest, this is not a profitable thing. It's more of, it's a passion project. So I just want you guys to know that thank you for facilitating this, and then they're wonderfully delightful people. So when I'm gone, remember to keep supporting that stuff, right? Because it's not this. This is a unicorn thing now. It's not as readily available, which you guys know we've talked about. It's hard to find stores. It's hard to find this stuff. But you find those ones you love and you support. Like I said, there's Halloween is coming out, and maybe it's like they've already ordered Halloween because it's coming out so late, but you want Vicky's Halloween. Then you say to Sarah, I want the Halloween. They will make those things happen for you. So it's super important that we remember the support matters. It's where you decide to support matters, because they keep making these things happen for you, which I'm sure they have lots of awesome things in store beyond like my little visit. But thank you.
Thank you all for your support, because we couldn't do this without you. We love putting these events on. We really want to bring Vicki back, so let us know if you want her to come back. We do need the numbers, if that's the bottom line. You know, we're paying for Vicki to come over from Canada. This time we were lucky we could tag it onto her cruise. But like she said, she had to spend a week in London. That's a lot away from her family. So if we can bring her over to do events like this,
We're talking about some
for everyone.